Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by launching voice memos because that's the built-in recorder. Tap the app or swipe into Control Center and tap the waveform icon. This saves time. Make sure the microphone permission is enabled so audio is captured. Once done, position the iPhone toward the sound source. The mic location matters for clarity. You're now ready to hit record, and you'll see levels react to sound. This confirms the app is receiving input, which helps avoid silent files. You press the red record button and capture your audio. Don't be afraid to use pause for breaks, because it keeps one file intact. To refine a take, tap the three dots, then edit recording. Use trim to remove gaps or replace to overdub a section. This avoids creating multiple files. Make sure to rename each memo right away so you can find it later. Once you play it back, listen for distortion or low volume and re-record if needed to ensure quality. You finish by saving and sharing your memo. Tap the share icon to send via AirDrop, mail, or save to files as an M4A. This preserves quality. Make sure iCloud backup is on so recordings sync across devices. This protects against accidental loss. If playback is fine, you're done. If you hear no audio, verify microphone access in Settings, force quit voice memos, and restart the iPhone. If problems persist, test another app to isolate whether it's software or the mic hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.